The worktop in front of me here, I have a range of universal LNBs manufactured by Smart Electronics in Germany. Just to give you a quick overview of the range they have, we have a single LNB here which would be ideal for a single box install, a twin LNB which would be ideal for a two box install, or something like a PVR box such as FreeSat Plus or Sky Plus or HD Plus, which has simply two feeds, and then a quad LNB. Once again, this is suitable for multi-room and multiple PVR boxes. And finally, we would have the Smart Quattro LNB. This would always be used in conjunction with a multi-switch, and it would be used in situations like apartments and hotel blocks and things like this. So normally these dishes traditionally would have been used with universal satellite dishes. So behind me here I just have an example of 110 centimeter satellite dish from Smart Electronics, and you can see here that we have, I think, is a twin LNB fixed to it, or equally with a 60 centimeter dish here, and they both are they both simply use that for pulling in the satellite signal, and the gain on these LNBs we found from tests is very, very strong. Okay, but a new product that we brought onto the market in the last number of weeks opens up a whole new field for these LNBs, and that is an adapter here in front of us, which is called a Mark III to Mark IV LNB adapter. Now, it was originally designed so that you could take old satellite, Sky satellite dishes that were no longer of use because they were Mark III version, take the feed arm off it and put this arm on instead, and it has a 40mm neck for that purpose, which is exactly the same diameter that we have on a universal LNB. So what we can actually do is we can use this adapter to use our LNBs on Sky dishes now, and of particular interest to us on this would be the single LNB, because the cost is cheaper to use. To buy an adapter and a single LNB is cheaper than buying a Sky LNB. A twin LNB, because there's no twin LNB in the normal Sky range, and also with the Quattro here it'd be quite interesting, because it means now that we can use this adapter to use a Quattro with a 60 centimeter or with a 60 centimeter Sky dish, which we couldn't have done previously. What I have in my hand in front of me here is an actual an adapter that we fitted onto a single LNB, and behind me I have a satellite dish here, a Sky Mark IV dish. So all we do is we simply come along here and we just push on the thing and click it down here, clicks into position, and then we can use this. So you can see we have the color black here as well, and then you can use that LNB as normal with a Sky dish. So that's a general overview of the universal LNBs. You know, they're a very good product and very competitively priced, and they fill a niche in the market that the standard Sky LNBs are currently not filling.